What's up, guys? You saw the thumbnail or the title. So yeah, I'm gonna explain to you exactly how Acorns, while being sick, of course, here, how did Acorns lose me money? So I don't have very much invested in Acorns. I'm brutally sick, but I feel like you guys should know this information. So I started Acorns because I love the roundup feature, basically allowing me to whatever. If you guys don't know what roundups are, it's when you go and buy something, say you buy it for 75 cents, and what Acorns will do, they'll make it a whole dollar and they'll take 25 cents and they'll invest it for you, which is an absolutely amazing idea. I love it. I actually use it still to this day. But what happens is it goes into, you can choose just like a 401k or something like that, whether you want it to be in risky or like, intermediate or very, very passive or things like that. What your risk tolerance is for your money and how aggressive they want to be with it. With that being said, I have it on very, very conservative. I don't want, I just want it basically to save me even more money. That's really, and if I make a few dollars while doing it, it's all good. So in the past 2 months, I've been doing this for 2 months now, basically. I haven't put any actual money into it. So the only things I've used is the roundups. Like they recommend to do like $5 a week or something like that, which is absolutely very, very plausible for everybody. I get it. I understand it. I should probably do it. I might do it now that I'm thinking about it. But with that being said, the other ones that I've been doing is just the roundups, rounding it up, saving for my future. It's basically a giant savings account because really the only thing it's done is lose me like $3.25. Now don't get me wrong, I just hit like the $100 mark on the account that I'm using. Actually, it's just over, I think it's like $110. But anyways, it's a great feature. It's basically $110 that I would have never saved otherwise, or else it would just be sitting in my savings account, But it's money I can't touch no matter what unless I want to close down my Acorns account and withdraw it. Now again, I wouldn't recommend withdrawing it. Just keep acting like it's not there and keep doing your job. It's the easiest way to do things by far. Now, with that being said, don't expect to make a lot off of it. And I can go into my Acorns account, guys, and show you guys. I may throw it up on the screen over here or something like that. I'm driving, so that was a little risky. But I may throw it up over here. But just showing that I'm down like $3 and some odd cents. I think I'm around $100, like $100, $110, somewhere around in there. It's money that I don't act like I have. I just check it like once a month just to see where I'm at. And like the other day, I figured I'd look at it. I've thought about doing the $5 round or the $5 things and stuff like that, just to have basically another retirement account, because that's what they are. Guys, they are basically another retirement account that's not going to make you loads of money. Now, would I recommend doing this to somebody that just wants to learn how to start investing and how to trade and stuff like this? The answer is yes and no. Depends on what you want to do. If you want to actually learn how to trade stocks and invest for yourself and things like that, no, I would not recommend Acorns at all. Now, to that same person, I would also tell them, you can learn how to trade, do everything just like I do. I trade for a living. I trade stocks. I trade options as well. And I also have long-term accounts. So with that being said, I still think it's a great asset instead of, if you want to, I know 401ks, they match it, or some employers match and all that other jazz. But what I would do if I was that person is I would start learning how to trade, start trading, and as well do the roundups, because it's like you're just paying an extra 25 cents or an extra 50 cents with every purchase you make. Round it up to the nearest whole dollar or half dollar. I think it's whole dollar. It allows you to just make a little bit of money. And you're not even really making money. You're just saving a little bit more money back into a different account that allows you, one day you may need, what if you get it up to a couple of $100 and one day rent is due in a week and you need a couple of extra $100. I think it's the perfect way, to pull it out. But I wouldn't recommend doing that because you guys know how compounding interest works. The longer it's in there, the more money it's going to make. Now, I think Acorns will have a rough impact on things when the market starts to crash. I'm not saying the market's going to crash at all. I am going to make a separate video today on that and where I think it's going and things like that. But I think we got a few years before anything like that happens. So with that being said, I think that Acorns is an absolutely amazing app if you can link your bank account and do the roundups. I wouldn't be just doing it for the $5 every week. I know when I round up and everything, I know I put more than $5 in it every week. I think it's like $5 or $7 actually, because it does come out of your checking account. Guys, I'm so sick and I apologize for this, but I just wanted to keep it super short, super simple. And guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.